11. He gave some to be apostles, some to be prophets, evangelists, teachers, and pastors. Those are ministries. Album gama lenkosi. Ofana ukuthi wonke umuntu oclaima ukuthi ubizo uNkulunkulu abelonge ku-Ephesians 4:11 atholakale lapho. Amen. Ngoba awukwazi ukusebenza effectively emsebenzini wenkosi ungatholakali ku-Ephesians 4:11. Amen. You can't. Futhi awukwazi ukuthi uthubiziwe ngoba uye waya eBible school wafundela itheology. Kukhona abantu abake bakhuluma into engazwakali kahle athi ngisawufundela ukufundisa. Akufundela ukufundisa. Sawufundela ukufundisa. Uyabiza umuntu bese yazi equipha ke. Ngeke ukuthi usungumfundisi ngoba nakho une theology. Une information, awunayo calling. Umuntu uyabizwa. Albon gama lenkosi. As a result, uma umphambi kwebandla, you can only inform us but not transform us. You are good to inform us. You are good to tell us some principles the Bible. Dogma. Amen. And he pays on